What is the first step to creating a great website? A lot of people think it is choosing a theme or a template inside their website builder, but that's wrong. The first real step is design. This is the fundamental difference between a design tool like Figma and a building platform like Wix Studio. In this video, we will compare them to show you why starting with design is so critical. Let's start with Figma. Figma is the industry standard tool for UI and UX design. Its main job is to be the place where you plan, design, and create a perfect visual mock-up of your website before it ever goes live. It is the architectural blueprint phase of your project. This is where you experiment with different layouts, choose your brand's colors and fonts, and design how every button and every image will look. You can also use Figma to create interactive prototypes that let you and your clients click through the design as if it were a real live website. It is all about perfecting the look and the user experience before the building starts. Now let's look at Wix Studio. Wix Studio is a professional website building and hosting platform. Its main job is to take a finished design like the one you created in Figma and turn it into a real, functioning website on the internet that people can visit. This is the construction phase of your project. Inside Wix Studio, you use its advanced visual editor to build your pages, add animations, connect your contact forms, and manage all of your website's content. It handles all the complicated technical parts for you, like the hosting, the security, and making sure your site looks great on phones and tablets. It is an all-in-one tool for building and launching professional websites. So which one should you choose? The answer is that professional web designers and agencies use both because they do not compete with each other. They are two different steps in the same professional process. The modern workflow is to first design the entire website in Figma. This allows for fast, creative work and makes it easy to get client approval on the design before any development work starts. Once the design in Figma is perfect and approved, you then move to Wix Studio to start building the live website based on that exact design. To put it as simply as possible, you design the plan in Figma and you build the final product in Wix Studio. Using Figma first makes the building process in Wix Studio much faster, easier, and more efficient. Knowing how to use these two tools together is the key to a modern and professional web design process. All right, that's it for this comparison. I hope this clears up how Figma and Wix Studio work together. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.